Hey guys, it's Ben and Peyton.
Oh, we're recording, right?
Yeah, we are. We've been recording actually,
Hello.
and we're gonna play this game called White Noise. It's supposed to be a scary game,
Yeah, I've never heard of it.
and we'll go ahead and do this. Then
I'm in the background.
Max was in the background. Per se, let's go.
Fade.
Sorry, I'm eating some vanilla wafers that are this shite right now. Start game?
All right.
Find all the tape. Oh, great.
Okay,
So
this
this
is
is
Slender
Slender.
RT to run. Okay.
Okay, so that's run.
I'm moving and sprinting. Shut up.
All right,
That was it.
let's do this. So I control the flashlight and when we run. So
Yeah.
tell me
Can
when
we
to
cross the
run.
river? Oops.
I did not know this would be Slender Man.
That's not
I did too. I knew. Well, I looked at it and it was like, okay, it looks like Slender.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm sprinting. Might take
Can
us a
you
while.
Can you sprint?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. If we hold it down, oh no, we don't go as fast.
Okay. Let's go in this creepy ass cemetery.
All right. Is that blood? It's not. What the fuck?
just jump over. Can we get over here?
All right.
Okay, can't get in there. Oh, I bet you it's a wall around this bitch.
Yeah.
Sounds in this game are great. Can we walk
Fucking
up that?
owl, I swear to
Oh,
God.
it's a foot. Look at it.
What?
There's a tape recorder. There's a foot. That's an arm.
Wait, what's that?
It's an arm, you idiot.
I know, but what's the sound?
Turn around. There.
Huh.
Jesus Christ.
I have to press A or something?
Yeah, I gotta do something.
Okay, press A. Yeah, okay, that's Slenderman.
Oh shit. Go that way. There's one right there. I can see it. The giant ass tape recorders that are
God,
half
they're
the size of the fucking statue here. Can you sprint too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I will sprint. You will do nothing.
All right. Now it's starting to get less pretty. So what's this game supposed to have? Like jump scares?
I don't know.
I know the only reason we have this is because Zach looked it up.
Yeah. Yeah, do some other horror games. Turn around.
Indies here is
What?
Turn around. There's stuff behind us. I can't see. That way.
Oh, okay, so whenever we hear that, like, that buzzing noise.
Oh,
What the fuck?
foot.
Julius Caesar head. Multiple heads.
Heads are falling from the sky.
Shawty give me head. Gotti give me head.
I'm sure it's on this head, like right here. Just keep looking.
No.
She ain't giving head.
Shawty give me. Oh. Okay, so nothing's fucking here.
There's gotta be. Oh
What the
shit! What
fuck?
was that? Oh
what the
shit!
fuck is that? Okay, that's Slenderman. Don't go fucking there.
I can't do that. Okay, please stop. Please stop. Screen. Screen.
Screen. Come on, buddy.
Okay, we have to go back that way though. There's more stuff that way.
Which way?
Turn.
These vanilla wafers are crazy good.
Shit, they are. So way
Where
better.
are you, recorder? Jesus.
Huh?
Where's the recorder?
Oh,
Recorder.
oh, there's something over there. Bwom, 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 bwom.
Stop doing that. I swear to God.
Bwom, 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 bwom.
Fuck.
Can't see it, but I'm twerking. Oh, that didn't work.
You're fucking not working.
Never mind, shut up. There's gotta be one right here.
Fat ass is sitting down on this couch.
No need for that, but okay. There's gotta be one on these.
Ah, there it is.
There it is. Grab that fucking huge. Follow the
Alright,
path.
so we're doing pretty good so far.
3 out of 8.
That's better than what we do in Slenderman. Ben, just cut it out. Can't see where they're fucking going.
Don't need to see. That's what this game's about.
What?
What? Okay. Sorry, Peyton.
Come on, here you go. Wow.
Oh, shit. God.
Fuck. Go that way.
Joel, we are no longer one. It is me and Peyton.
My God. The fuck?
Check out the tits on that little thing. Can we make like a
Shout out
look
to
at
Fox
them? Look
News.
at them.
Fuck.
Peyton,
What?
look at the boobs. Oh, shit!
Damn it! You know what happens when you look at tits, Ben? You die. Okay?
You are dead. Awesome. Wise words.
That's what happens when you stare at tits.
Titties.
Look, I've never been to a strip club.
Okay, okay, guys. If you ever play this game, tits are bads. Bad.
Bad.
Staying alive, staying alive. Am I playing by myself now, right now?
You can look at tits all day.
Tort.
Shawty gave me head. The fuck? That river's just running right into the sidewalk.
Follow the gray brick road.
Then a joy in the back.
Be honest, I thought that was a giant dick. I'm
Yeah,
not
it's
gonna
a
lie.
giant dick.
Why do you have to do that? Your mother.
Ooh, shit. Fucking got him.
Thank you. More titties. Don't look at the titties. Don't look at them.
Don't fucking look at him.
Titties are horrible. There's nothing here. Waste of my fucking time.
It probably is. It's gotta be. Yeah.
Seriously? Nothing here.
What do we
Might as well look
Don't
at the
look at the
tits.
titties, man.
Look at the tits, man.
Sorry, it's just such a. What is that?
Sin, I know. It's the fucking wall, remember? Look at that Ben-ass wall.
I can find 8 of this shit. We gotta put some.
Come on.
Cut this part out.
How do you find 3 before and we've got nothing?
Fucking relax, okay? Jeez, man. Shout out to the fucking cemetery. That's just.
There's no floor.
That's how they bury him. They just fucking toss him down that pit.
Is it like Gladiator? No, not 300. Just throw him in the pit and Sparta kick him down the pit.
Oh, those are the hands that grab the tits.
Fucking jeez, I knew that was gonna happen.
I hear it. I hear it.
Those also are the hands that hold the tape recorder.
What if the hands like grab you?
I hear it.
Follow the noise. Zach fucking shit himself.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, it's right here on this rock, isn't it?
I felt you vibrate.
Yeah, it's like I saw you. I touched you and you're like.
Can I walk on that? No, I can't.
That was funny as shit.
How did these get there?
God sent him.
It's actually no. It would be 80s then. 'cause of-
Game designers, I don't give a fuck. That's the ankle.
So
It's the ankle.
watched the movie Rubber on
Why do the
Netflix.
trees
Yeah.
look just like? Oh,
Titties.
Don't look at the titties. You're gonna die.
Why
Especially
is there
those
not a
titties
tape
like that.
recorder in the same place?
I don't know. Well, there wasn't there. I heard it, but then.
one of them's missing. Look, one of them's missing.
Guys, don't turn around. Look at the titties.
There's a line of there's 6 tits right there. I hear it.
Wait, go.
There it is.
All right. Find
Yeah,
the
we already
album.
went over this. There's got to be one over here.
Oh, I thought that was a part of the game. I was like, what the fuck? Really? Yeah.
Oh god.
Fucking nice one.
Was that a frog? No, that's a rock.
Oh my god.
Then you might have to like check very carefully in the background of the video.
I'm not editing it. It's like up there.
Those are the hands that like raise you from perdition or something. Like,
Yeah.
Ah.
Ah!
There we go. Back on track.
Okay, I see Joel.
Ladies and gentlemen, Joel is just like the building.
Yeah, like no one gives a shit. Oh shit.
The other way.
Look at those tits! Okay, calm down, calm down.
Max
Calm
is scared
down.
off his ass right now.
how do you even know that?
That ass though.
Like, you haven't even looked at me. You're like, oh yeah, you're scared.
What?
You're a little pussy.
I got you. What am I doing?
Booty, 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 booty.
Booty, 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 walking everywhere. Ah, shit! Fuck!
Really? I'm the scared one?
Fuck me, dude.
This game is ridiculous. Huh? No.
And guys, fucking slamming me.
What time is it?
It's 10 minutes. That was a 10-minute video.
It's fine. We'll cut. You're cutting most of that out.
Oh my god.
Huh?
What? What?
We'll try one more time, and then
To what? Till 9:30. No, my dad's gonna be here at 9.
nothing. Not even boobs.
Just fucking look at the jars, man.
Bugs keeps turning on and off.
You keep turning on and off. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere.
Why can't I run without?
Booty, rocking everywhere.
You can run without pointing the flashlight towards the ground.
I love the like physical ability of these characters in scary games because they have like the metabolism.
I friggin' love
Of a
the
200-pound
stabilities of the
5-year-old.
characters in these type of games that they have like the metabolism and stuff. I don't know why
Just
something
have
just
to
hit me.
mock everything I do. Maxwell's scary as shit.
I'm
Didn't
joking.
even look at me.
Maxwell feels really self defense about that, doesn't he? No.
Fox Ninja.
Shout out to Bailey.
That's Bailey?
Bailey
Bailey?
Gibson.
Oh shit, man.
Oh, join his party, dude.
Fuck no. Alright.
On the road again.
Random
Cleveland.
fog.
We need to find
I'm on a
the Dragon Balls.
Oh,
What?
dildos.
Oh my god.
What are those like that?
Zach, we found dildos.
Is this the
We're getting somewhere. I hear it.
Yeah, same.
It looks like poop. That looks like
It does not look like poop at all.
Okay. Oh shit. And we got one Dragon Ball.
Actually,
Look, I don't even. Oh shit! Where's he at?
What was that?
Where's he at?
Behind
Where's he
you?
at?
start running. Just start running.
Maybe.
I don't want to run towards.
Oh
There
fuck!
he is.
There he is. He's fucking.
Floating.
He's descending to the ground.
Will he scare me even if I just like?
Yeah, he fucking.
God. All right, guys. Well, we'll figure this out another time. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
See you guys next year. God, every time I end a video.